Hey guys, trying something a little bit different. Going to go with the selfie stick and going to be answering a few of the most commonly searched terms around different social media networks. We're going to start with Facebook because that's obviously the big dog in charge. Um, Hope that my camera's in focus there. That's a little bit better. Um, anyway, Facebook has 2 billion monthly active users, as you can see over my shoulder. That report's a little bit old, so it's probably a little bit more than that at this point. Maybe not. It might be because there's been some recent news and stuff, and some people have left. So that 2 billion monthly active users, though, that's a pretty good metric, and that's probably still pretty accurate. So anyway, we're going to cover some of the commonly asked questions on Google that business owners seem to be asking around the topic of Facebook. And that is number one, can Facebook help with business? Absolutely, it can. There's tons of different facets of how it can help. Obviously, Facebook has become such a big dog that everybody expects a business to have a Facebook page. And you'll actually be surprised at how many customers don't end up coming to you and going to your competitors just because you don't have a Facebook page. Doesn't even mean that you have to use that Facebook page. It's just the fact that you don't even have one and your competitors do puts them a notch above you. So yes, it can absolutely help your business without going into a ton of detail. The fact that you can get people, fans engaged on there, gets your location out there. It creates your business a page on the biggest 2 billion monthly active users network out there. So, I mean, it just gives you a foothold on that network, regardless of whether or not you post. And then if you do post and stuff, that gives you the opportunity to push promotions, get sales out there in a quick, less long-term environment. And like what I mean by that is, in the past, if you were going to run a sale or something, you might have to come up with some marketing campaigns, send out mailers, put things in flyers, blah, 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 do commercials. With Facebook, you can make a post that says, we're having a flash sale, stop by today from 3 to 5 p.m. and get 20% off anything you purchase in the store. Things like that. So that can definitely help. So yes, Facebook pages can definitely help your business. We won't, like I said, not going into a ton of detail here. We'll do other videos. We've written other blogs about that. But top line, yes, it can absolutely help. If you are interested to know more how it can help, definitely reach out to us. I'll be happy to send you emails with information about how it can help. That's totally fine. We can do it that way. And then let's see, is Facebook business free? Well, there's no such thing as Facebook business. You just create a Facebook business page. Well, there is a Facebook business, but it's a little different. That's a little bit of a different thing. For you, yes, it is free. Bottom line, it is free. Facebook does not charge for you to have an account. Now, if you're going to advertise on Facebook, which is a different thing, and you'll need a Facebook business page to do that, if you're going to do paid advertising, then obviously, yes, that is not free. You'll have to set your budget, and that can be anywhere from a minimum of $1 a day with pretty much no maximum. You can run thousands of dollars a day if that's in your budget to do so. Let's see. Let's look at another one. Why a Facebook business page? Okay, so you'll see a lot of business owners create a personal Facebook profile for their business. That's not cool. Don't do that. If that's you right now, create a business page and delete that profile. Facebook was created never for businesses, really. The intent of it from the get-go, sorry guys, switching hands here, holding the selfie stick. The original intent of Facebook was to bring friends closer together. And then as it got bigger and bigger, obviously Facebook saw there was opportunities for businesses and then to make money by monetizing ads and various things like that. So anyway, a Facebook profile should be kept specifically for personal individuals. A business page, that's the reason pages exist, is because it helps you get on there and put an established entity. For instance, as a business owner, you don't want to have a personal profile because you don't get to put your address on there. A Facebook page would allow you to put your office address on there and people can find you that way. It lets you run ads. You can't run ads from a personal profile. You can't boost personal posts and stuff, not the way you can with Facebook business posts. So from a business owner standpoint, it's not advantageous. Plus, people don't like getting friended by a business. They'd rather get the option to go like the business page on their own terms. Nobody likes getting friended by a business. So if you're doing that crap, cut it out because it's not good and it's not helpful. And if you're not doing it, don't do it because it's crap and it's not helpful. Okay, another one. Can a Facebook page create events? Absolutely, they can. And if you have events, if you host events, if you're like a wine tasting bar or something, and you're having a wine tasting event, put that on Facebook, because why? There's 2 billion monthly active users, and that means there's obviously not 2 billion in your area that are going to care, but there's a lot of people on Facebook. 1 in every 3 people has a Facebook account typically. That's kind of how the math breaks down. And so that means as a business owner, there's a lot of people in your area that you can reach. So if you've got events, if you're a bar and you're having a musician come, or if you're a musician and you have a musician's page on Facebook, post your events on there. If you're having guest speakers come in, and like you're a consulting firm or something, you're having guest speakers come in, do there. Anytime you're having an event, it's a great place. Facebook is a great place to post that and get the word out, because you can boost it on Facebook, advertise it, those kinds of things, and also just get organic reach, because there's a lot of people that might be interested in it on Facebook already. And then lastly, can Facebook page receive messages? Yes, a Facebook page can receive messages, and it is a great tool as a business to use. Facebook has really kind of changed the way people react online single-handedly, really. And with that, the Facebook Messenger is huge. People like that instantaneous connection. So yeah, Facebook messages is definitely a thing on a business page. Definitely should take full advantage of that. So anyway, there's a lot more questions. There's like 100 different really popular search queries just based around the terms that I searched. But these are kind of like the 5 I thought I could answer fairly quickly, and I felt like a lot of people would have questions about. So just to recap real quickly, can Facebook help my business? Yes, it can. Is Facebook business for free? Yes, it is, unless you're advertising it, and then you advertise on there, and that you set your budget and stuff as you go along on that. Why Facebook business page? Because posting on a personal profile as a business is crap. Don't do that, like I said. Can Facebook page create event? Yes. Again, utilize them. And can Facebook page receive messages? Yes, you can. You can actually run ads to get messages to your page. Like, you can run ads that ask people questions, and then there's a button that says send message, which encourages people to message your page. So yeah, definitely utilizing that Facebook Messenger is huge, because there will always be people that won't fill out forms, but they'll be happy to send you a live chat. I, for one, don't like filling out forms, but I'll send people stuff in live chat. So I kind of fall into that category. So yeah, if you're struggling to get people to sign up on your website with lead forms and stuff, try Facebook Messenger, prompt buttons and stuff in your ads. Anyway, guys, I hope this helped. If you liked it, click like. If you disliked it, let us know and click dislike. Comment below, subscribe to our channel if you would. I hope this helps. Bye. Thanks.